Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this glitter cut crease. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for eyeshadows today, I'm using the Morphe 35R palette, and I'm taking this shade here on a fluffy brush, and I'm using that as my transition shade in the crease. Next, stepping into this shade here, and I'm also applying that in the crease. So with these shades, you want to focus them so that you're making that kind of half moon shape on the eyelid, because that's where you're going to apply the glitter. So next, stepping into this shade here and applying that in the crease, and this is going to define the kind of eyelid shape. Then just going back over top with the crease shadow that we used, and I'm just like kind of blending the two together, but you still want to see the transition between light and dark. So you have to keep going in and out with each of these colours, and it will look messy up until you add the glitter, as you have to have that nice strong pigment just so the glitter really stands out. Next, taking this shade here and applying that to define the crease. Then dipping in to the brown shade, and I'm using that just to blend this in. So I went ahead and applied more of those shades and just built up the colour even more. And I'm next taking the Maybelline Eraser Eye Perfect and Cover Concealer, and I'm taking that across the eyelid, and I'm making sure that this is going to clean up all the excess on the eyelid. So now that we've got the cut crease shape nice and carved out, I'm next taking this shade here and applying that along the cut crease shape. Next, taking this shade here and applying that on a flat synthetic brush, and I'm using that over top of the concealer that we applied on the eyelid. So I'm next going on to liner, and I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade called Trooper. So I'm going to leave the glitter till after I've applied the liner, as it's easier to apply it this way than trying to get the liner over the top of the chunky glitter. So now that the liner's on, I'm next taking the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer, and I'm applying that across the silver shade that we applied on the eyelid. Then on top of the primer, I'm using one of my favourite glitters from NYX Cosmetics, and it's in the shade called Crystal. So I quickly just hopped off camera and put on some lashes, and these ones are from the brand called Prima Lash. So I'm dipping back into the 35R palette and taking this shade here first and focusing that closest to the lashes, and then taking this shade here to buff it out. So for highlighter today, I'm using the Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, and I'm going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. I'm next going on to lipstick, and I'm using the Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade called New Mod, and I'm also going to be lining my lips with the No. 7 Precision Lip Pencil. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!